So yeah, since silver dollars were used for actual currency, the great state of Texas and other lesser states across the South have been on September 1st of each year going dove hunting. Yeah, it's time. Today. I didn't get out for this morning's hunt, but yeah, it's time to go dove hunting. So here we go. So, you got a plan. You got to know what you need. So, you got a box of shells. I think the limit's like 15 this year. So I'm probably going to need about, 10 boxes. Anyway, yeah, I'm not a great shot. Gotta have some camo. Gotta look the part. Yeah. Gotta have your vest with your shell pockets and your bird pockets. And yeah, I usually have more empty shells laying around than birds in my vest. Anyway, yeah. Oh, gotta pay the man. Gotta go out there and get that license. Yep, the new license in Texas starts this morning, today. Yeah, September 1st. Okay. Now, some of you guys are at work right now. That's tough. You don't get to go hunting yet. You go hunting after work. The season's good till, you can hunt doves till the sun goes down. You gotta have your copy of the rules. Texas Outdoor Rules. This little booklet was about 3 pages when I first started hunting doves. Yeah, now look at it. It's thick. Of course, the fishing rules are in here too, so yeah. We just keep getting new rules, and the book gets thicker and the book gets thicker. So, the shotgun of choice for today is a Wingmaster 870 Remington. So, yeah. I've had this gun for, let's see, since 1978. Let's see. Yeah, about 1978, 79, around in there. I bought this brand new at Walmart. Yeah, they held at Walmart's back in 1978. So, yeah. Yeah. So anyway, time to go dove hunting. So, are we going to pursue silver today? Nah. Are we going to work our eBay store today? Nah. We're going dove hunting. This is your silver hair stacker, or whatever you're hunting. I hope you get it. All right. Good luck. God bless. See you later. Bye.